Welcome back to 7-Minute Options. Today is Tuesday, August 10th, and I will be managing Pinterest and SOFI today. So Pinterest, we got stuck with 100 shares when our short put got assigned to us after the earnings play. I wasn't actually around. I was gone for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, and I wasn't here to actually roll it, so we got assigned, and that's fine. We'll live with it. It's going to take me a few months to climb out of this hole. This was initially a $66 put, so I got assigned the shares at $6,600. But right now, what I started doing is I sold a call against it yesterday. I collected $280 of premium, and it has gone down $1.50 today. So I'm already $75 ahead on the call I sold, which is pretty good. But now that it's gone down $1.50, now that, just take a look at the pins graph there. So we're down here. That was the big earnings drop right there in pins. And right now we're kind of hovering here around the $57, $58 mark. The RSI is very low, and it's gone down today, so I'm going to be selling a put against it as well, just to collect a little bit more premium. So my call is in the September monthly expiration, so I'm going to go to the same monthly expiration, and I'm going to see if I can sell a put. Right now we're at 57. The $55 put has a very rich $2 of premium. That's very tempting. The $50 put is outside the expected move, and it's 71 bucks, and I kind of like it. I mean, I don't really think it's going to fall another $7 to go down there. I think most of the bad news and the poor earnings that we're getting out of tech lately is already priced in. So I don't expect another $7 move. I feel pretty safe selling the $50 put. Again, I'm okay with selling either or. The trick here is to stay here and keep rolling it out if I get challenged on these positions. But yeah, I mean, I got more theta out of the 55, so it's better to be close, and I'm already quite low to the RSI, right? I'm already down here. So maybe the deciding factor is the buying power reduction. So if I sell the 55, that would take me $900 of buying power. And if I go to the 50, that's only going to cost me $500 of buying power. And I still am doing okay with the 250 theta. Again, this is only 38 days away. And if this thing starts moving up, then I can roll it out and up in the next monthly cycle. So I'm going to be rolling these for quite a few months, whether I roll them out or up or down, depending on where the stock moves. But I'm going to do this one. I'm going to try to get the $71 here, and it's already filled. Fantastic. So that will help me collect a little bit more premium as I try to recover from the hole in pin. So again, that's going to take me a few months to recover, but I think I'll be okay. All right, moving on to SOFI. So this is a bit of a cluster. I only have this put spread and this call spread here that are expiring in the next 2 weeks. I should be rolling these. So what I did here a long time ago is I sold the 17.5 put and I bought the 12.5 put. So this is a credit put spread. I used it to finance a debit call spread, which is the 1522.5. So right now we're just at the edge of, we're very close to the actual short put here. So I can roll this for a profit. So if I roll this into the September expiration, you can see I pick up $55 of credit. I will do that. And let's keep that $55 in mind because it's going to cost me a little bit of money. Remember, this is a debit call spread. So it's going to cost me some money, but it's going to be most likely less than the 55. There you go. I can roll this. I can pay 24 bucks to roll it into September. So I'm collecting 55 to roll my put credit spread. I'm only paying about 24 or 25 to roll the debit call spread. So I'm going to roll this whole position, like these 4 positions here, for a net credit of 30 bucks, which I'm happy with. Means I get to live for another month on this position, and I actually collect a little bit of credit, so that's fine. I'm going to be watching that one. I might have to pay $1 or $2 more to close that one out, but that's perfectly fine. And then these ones here, 66 days and 500 days, so I'm not too worried about these ones just yet. But this one is definitely making me nervous. This was as bullish positions get. It's a short put to finance a long call. Really expecting that to rise beyond 22.5 there to make good bank on that one. But I still have 2 months for it to get there. So any activity? Yeah, SOFI's got earnings actually coming up. So I really need like a good earnings report here. I think my account here is really heavily dependent on SOFI. So we'll see where this goes. So that's SOFI. We talked about pins and SOFI. There really isn't a whole lot else to manage today. Actually, some of these positions didn't get filled yesterday. Yeah, RMO. I thought I filled this yesterday. You know what? It probably expired during the day and I didn't get filled on it. So this one I could not roll out yesterday because there is no $15 strike. There's only a $14 strike, which is quite annoying. But I'm going to be looking at what I can do there. It feels like I need to pay the $1 to get rid of the $1 risk there, right? So this is the $15 put. I'm paying $1 to roll it out to the $14 put. So it feels like I have to pay for the full $1 difference. Even just yesterday, this was like 95 cents. Today's $1. That's fine. I mean, I'm not happy about it, but I mean, I got to do it and just hope that at one point this Romeo thing just starts turning around on me. Okay. The other one that didn't fill yesterday was silver. Why didn't silver fill? The call spread's going to expire. It's a debit call spread that's going to expire out of the money, worthless. The 24 put is in September. Oh, okay. So yeah, the one that's 10 days away is the call spread that's expiring, worthless. So the put was rolled into the September expiration. That's fine. And we talked about let's see, silver, SOFI. We just managed now. So that's it. Those are the only ones that are expiring in the next 10 days. VIX is a long one. I'll buy a new VIX long call when it's about 1 day away or 0 days away, because that is a long 20 delta strike that I buy just as a hedge usually. All right, so that's it for today. Quick video. Thanks.